We're here today in the outskirts of Shanghai, exploring an abandoned quarantine hotel. The security checkpoints are all still here. Now, before the pandemic, this place was a luxury resort, until the government turned it into a quarantine facility, but now it's abandoned and being demolished, and I'm sneaking in for a one last look before it's gone. Security is pretty tight today, but not right now exactly, so the coast is clear. Let's go. This is all the materials they have for reconstruction, I suppose. It's about to be moved out. I was genuinely not expecting to see this. It's supposed to be a quarantine hotel, but there's a Buddha statue. This is one of the quarantine rooms for the hotel. Enough for one family, probably. I would know because I was actually locked in one of these rooms with like 2 or 3 other people in the year of 2021. One bathroom, one shower, and this much space. Artificial flowers planted there. Okay, this room is like a lot bigger. It could be the control room with the hotel managers. They were probably also isolated. Everyone in the city was actually, between 2021 and 2022. Nobody could go out. The computer screen looks all smashed up here. Don't know why they had to do that rather than just moving it. This is one of the offices. Don't know what these are. Could be tags for the patients. Some of the personal belongings were still left behind by maybe the guards who watched and monitored the place. This is the master bedroom for the control room, a lot bigger than the patients' rooms. There's McDonald's here, could be from the construction workers moving everything out, but it also looks very old, so who knows. This wall is just painted with the safety regulations and rules for the people staying here. It has like an entire list, 13 rules for the tenants here that they had to obey. There's a wall full of posters talking about unity and also Wuhan at the time, which is where the coronavirus started. It's more of the same writing on the walls. Yeah, so this place was abandoned in maybe 2020, 2021, after the quarantine, after the pandemic. There's still posters promoting the party on the walls, talking about the history of the party and stuff. And of course the hotel would have some visitation system, so all these chairs probably meant that people are able to come to visit them or see them in some sort of way. Because look at all these sofas here. Propaganda posters. It translates into monitor other people and make sure they don't bring any dangerous or toxic items into the rooms. Huge auditorium area, probably where the officials who ran this place had to meet to discuss things. Because of course there were managers, there were staff, and there were government officials.
Dude, are you down to watch a movie, like at night?
Here?
Yeah.
Hell no. I think that's it. Let's go. So yeah, this during the quarantine, during the isolation, people still had to live, so this is a laundry room where people kept their laundry and washed up. I mean, they had to get fresh clothes somehow. Wait, I think this place might actually be like off limits. Wait, fuck, I hear someone. Are they gone? Dude, can you go over there and take a look and see who it is? Okay, so one of those guys looked like security and the other was probably just a construction worker. We're here in the off-limits place from earlier. This place should be connected to the quarantine hotel, but looks a lot more fancy.
That's literally open there.
Wait, that's the resort. That's the like the.
Shh. This place looks crazy, like it's been abandoned for dozens of years. I think the government bought this property after it was abandoned initially to renovate parts of it to make it a quarantine hotel. So these parts might have been untouched by anyone for dozens of years. This pool looks absolutely crazy. Okay, some interesting graffiti here. Some strange shapes and words. When the government started renovating and creating the quarantine hotels, the units, they probably didn't use this area because everything, as you can see, is just smashed up. This place could have been the locker rooms for people entering the pool, I guess. Okay, this is pretty creepy. This says, "Don't run away, you have been spotted." That's the translation, with a cross painted next to it. The building inside is just full of water and nothing else. It looks really weird. And now I found the front gate, and I'm gonna take a look.